Hi everyone, I'm Jay. Welcome to my channel. Today I'll show you how I made this simple but refreshing crispy celery and apple salad. So I've washed 4 sticks of celery. I'm drying them off, as you can see, with a tea towel, otherwise the dressing won't stick to it. And then I'll thinly slice each one. I've washed 200 grams of seedless grapes and I'll slice each one in half. And here with my hands I'm just breaking 200 grams of walnuts. Here I've got 133 grams of sliced mild cheddar cheese, and I'll just cut those into small cubes. And I'll chop up 1 washed red apple. And I just give that all a good mix. For the dressing, I'm adding 1 tablespoon of lemon juice and a teaspoon of mustard to plain Greek yogurt. I'll also add to that a couple of heaps of mayonnaise and mix till smooth. I give that a good stir in, making sure all is coated. And there it is, crispy celery and apple salad, refreshing, healthy and delicious. I hope you've enjoyed today's recipe. For more delicious recipes like this, please like, share and subscribe. Thank you so much for watching. Take good care of yourselves and I will see you in the next one.